In this video, we are going to learn how to solve these JAMB Columbus problems under limited liability company. So we are going to focus on the subtopic features and importance of limited liability company. In this video, we have about 15 to 20 questions to practice with. Okay, so let's get started. The first question I have here says, which of the following will not be stated in the memorandum of association? Rights of shareholders, registered office, name clause, object clause. So guys, the right answer is option A, which is right of shareholder. Next question is this one. One of the implications of the incorporation of the company is that the company can sue but cannot be sued. It is more difficult for the company to raise loans. Its members become liable for all the debts of the company. The company's property becomes distinguished from that of its members. So guys, the right answer to this question is option D, which is the company's property becomes distinguished from that of its members. Very important, guys. This question is this one. A person who, in consideration for an extra commission, takes responsibility for goods sold on credit and in case of a default is a creditor agent. That's the right answer, option A. Okay, next question is one. It says a common requirement for public and private liability limited companies, whether in Nigeria, is that a shareholder cannot transfer his shares to someone else without permission from other shareholders. Shares can be offered for sale. The stock exchange shares can be offered for sale through an issuing house. Their annual accounts are made available to the Corporate Affairs Commission. This is the right answer, guys. Option D. Okay, so this is a common requirement for public and private limited companies, Nigeria. Option D. Next question, this one. See, the difference between article of association and memorandum of association is that the latter deals with the internal working relationship of the company and its members, the method of issue, transfer and feature of the company shares, the rights and responsibilities of shareholders, with the power and relationship of the company with outsiders. The right answer is option D. The latter deals with the powers and relationship of the company with outsiders. Next question is this one. It says, what are the fixtures and fittings in the balance sheet? So they are fixed assets. Okay, option B. Next question is this one. It says risk bearing in business organization is a function of the entrepreneur. Option B. Next question is one. It says what are the factors with which commercial undertaking can be distinguished? Size of the undertaking, yes. Profit generated, yes. Forms of ownership, no. Location of the undertaking, no. So the right answer is option D, I and II only. Next question is this one. It says which of the following statements is true of preferred stockholder? They have no voting right at annual general meetings. They have first claim to company asset after all debts have been settled. They share dividends equally with common shareholder. They first claim company asset before creditor. The right answer is option A. They have no voting rights at annual general meetings. Okay, very, very important. Next question is this one. It says authorized share capital is also known as registered share capital. Take note of this question, guys. Option B. This question is this one. It says one major characteristic of a credit union and thrift society is that the legal processes involved in their formation are rigid. A minimum of 10 people in the same line of business can form the union. The contribution of every member depends on members' ability. Membership is compulsory to the people in the same line of business. The right answer is option C. The contribution of every member depends on the members' ability. Next question is this one. It says the portion of authorized share capital given out to the public for subscription is issued capital. Very important, guys. Option B. Next question, it says which of the following information is contained in the article of association of a limited liability company, where objectives of the company, amounts of share capital, limitation of liability of shareholders, rights and obligations of directors. The right answer is option D. Rights and obligations of directors. Very important. Next question is this one. It says a provision in the charter of a company which gives holders of a common stock the first option to purchase additional issues of the firm's common stock is known as preemptive right. Very important. The last question for end this video, this one. It says a distinguishing characteristic of a limited liability company is that it has limited resources, can sue and be sued, is a multiple partnership, is a collection of many sole proprietors. Right answer is that can seal and be sealed. So that is basically can do problems involving features and importance of limited liability company for your JAMB commerce operatives. Is about 15 to 22 questions for this subtopic. Hope there's something interesting in the video. Just click the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that you subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. So like, share and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel for what I learned from the video. If you simply have any specific questions as regarding what I talked about in this video, feel free to leave a question in the comment section below. And I should give you a response, so ensure that part of a genuine match by clicking the JAMB button and getting information that help you to say in your SNES exams like your JAMB and other SNES exams you're writing. Okay, so having done this, click on the screen above and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.